stations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and or warnings affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast in the alarm zone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of north central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana for today and tonight. Weather hazards expected: elevated excessive cold risk, limited snow risk. Discussion: a weak disturbance will bring a period of light snow to the region today. Accumulations of 1 to 2 inches will be favored south of Interstate 80, with lower amounts to the north. Cold Arctic air remains in place. Lowest wind chill values late tonight into early Thursday morning will range from 5 below to 15 below zero, with a few spots in north central Illinois possibly approaching 20 below around sunrise. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Thursday, elevated excessive cold risk. Friday, Saturday and Sunday, significant excessive cold risk. Monday, elevated excessive cold
Oh,
risk.
yeah. There we go. And that was Midlands. I do believe my 74-200 failed to go off, as well as my 74-210, unfortunately. But we will see.